Understanding Cycle to Work, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cycle to work. This phrase is not just about the words, but also about the culture and lifestyle it represents. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to cycle to work. Cycle to work is a straightforward phrase that means using a bicycle as your mode of transportation to get to your workplace. It's important to understand each word in this phrase. Cycle, this refers to riding a bicycle. To work, this indicates the destination or purpose of cycling, which is reaching your workplace. Cycling to work is not just a way of commuting, it's part of a lifestyle choice. It reflects a preference for eco-friendly transportation and often indicates a commitment to physical fitness. In many cities around the world, cycling to work is encouraged to reduce traffic congestion and pollution. When someone chooses to cycle to work, they consider several factors. Distance, how far is the workplace? Safety, are there safe cycling paths? Convenience, is there a place to park and secure the bicycle? It's useful to know how to use cycle to work in different tenses for various conversations. Present simple, I cycle to work every day. Past simple, I cycled to work yesterday. Future simple, I will cycle to work tomorrow. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, cycle to work, in both a linguistic and cultural context. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the lifestyle and habits they reflect. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.